Hi and welcome back to the channel. So today I'll be showing you how to make peppered pomo that you can share with your friends or eat alone. So kindly like my channel, give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends, and let's get down to it. So in a pan, add your oil. It could be any oil of choice, even palm oil. Add your onions. Now add your spices. This is curry mixed with other forms of herbs. So you just give that a good stir. Once the onions becomes a bit translucent, add your mixed peppers of habaneros, bell peppers. Then add your seasoning cube. Give that a good stir. Add some salt. Stir that. Now add your already cooked pomo. Now you have to cook the pomo till it's soft. So give that a good stir. Just like that. Now you'll add a bit of the pomo stock. That's the water that you used to put the pomo, so you can sauce it up and then allow the pepper and the onions to marinate inside, so that when you finally take a bite of this pomo, it would have sunk inside very well. Like the meat would be so nice to chew. So yes, continue to stir that up because you're basically frying it. And fam, just like that, your pomo is ready. I had mine with some fried yam. What will you be having this with? It's great with beer, it's great as a finger food. So it's just an excellent choice, really. It's easy to make and it's cost effective. So I hope I inspire you to make this. Bye.